So I just, 1 hour back I reached Aktash, and while I was checking in to the room, there was a tribal music concert arranged by visitors of this hotel. So that music concert went for like 1 hour. So that should come as part of the vlogs. So what I've done is I've taken a room in this place. I haven't even looked at the name of the place, but yeah, it's quite a cozy room, and I've just kept my bags inside. So before I've not even looked at the room actually. So I just peeked inside and then said okay. So I'll just show the room now. So this is like a sit-out area, but it's not so easy to sit in the evenings. But yeah, in the afternoons it's quite okay. This is the reception, and there is another small sit-out area. So yeah, this is the room, and I just kept my wallet, suitcase, bag, and the GoPro case. Maybe I should try to switch on the light. I even don't know where the light is. So yeah, the bathroom light is on, and okay, I think I can manage with this light or no. Okay, so we are lucky. Looks like there is a temperature controller, not sure, and a small cupboard. I mean, it looks like some sort of a makeup arrangement. And this is the bed, so it's quite nice. And whatever Russians do, or like design, they do it very artistically. So even in a very remote place like Siberia, they have done a good work. And I'll just show the restroom. Before that, there is a small table for two, and you can even add one more chair to it and have food here. And yeah, so the light switch, to my amazement, it's normal. So this is how you switch off, and this is how you switch on. So in Russia it's a different case, so it's the opposite. But we are in Russia, but in a different region. Yeah, this is the restroom. Looks clean, and they have some switch here. I don't know what it is. So if you are wondering what is this B, it's a Russian Va. So this must be 220 volts, and yeah, quite nice. There is a place to shower also. I'm sure they have an automatic geyser. This is like this is the window. So yeah, it's kind of a family place, I would say. I mean, most of the people who have checked in seem to be some sort of tourists from Russia, and I think no one spoke English, but it's all right. I was able to talk to them, and then I was able to tell them where I am from. So that's it. So I mean, this is the room, and this is the room I'm going to spend for one night, and then I'll be pushing to the actual Mongolian border, which is by name Tashanta. So I've told the name several times in the videos. Yeah, so I'll try to stop over tomorrow in certain places and then make videos. It looks like all other cottages and rooms are taken already. So I'm kind of lucky to get a decent room. I mean, it's in fact, I feel luxurious. The place that I am, it's quite remote, and this is actually luxury. towels. The good thing is like whatever um, whatever people from Russia, whatever they do it perfectly. And I think this is the image I want to convey to the world, not only India but to the world. So please come over to Russia and in particular Siberia, and then just travel, and if possible book a self-drive SUV, true SUV. 80 is good, but still I mean I won't get the confidence to really take it out of the road. So that's the thing. And
Так, жить. Так, вот эта песня называется «Поклонки», ладно? Шакия, скифы здесь ходили. Мурзайла